Hello everyone, welcome to WebGD. This will be another short quick tutorial to go over one issue in Unreal that I noticed and I did not find any good help online. There were some tips here and there but nothing that would show a complete solution. The issue is about the VR hand that goes to objects and not actually stopping, even if you have collision mesh or other things applied on it. So let's go with the issue first. So I'll try to quickly show that issue. Give me a second. So let me launch the game. Okay, so let's see. So that's the VR hand, and we'll walk towards this wall where we have these rocks. And idea is that I will climb on these rocks, but you will notice my hand will go through these rocks. As you can see, it's going through these rocks. On the top left, you can see I'm printing some information, but that will be useful later on. But you can see it's not stopping. So how to fix this issue? So let's go to the blueprint code. I have implemented this in Blueprint and C++, but I will just show the Blueprint implementation because it's easy to just show in this video. And same thing, same code, you can just move it to C++ very easily. So first thing first, I have added this collision mesh around this hand skeletal mesh. This hand is third-party skeletal mesh that comes with the VR sample in Unreal. So I just bring this hand here for my use case. So after you add the collision sphere, of course you will fix it so it is, the bottom edge is closer to the hand, and you can even use a box collision, whichever one you want to use. But important thing is you have a collision sphere around it with the collision setting set to overlap all dynamic. So now the code is pretty easy. For the collision sphere, we have on component begin overlap and on component end overlap. And code is pretty simple. For the on component begin overlap, first we are checking that the actor that it is overlapping has this climbable tag. If it does, like all my rocks on this wall have this tag already added to it. So if it does, then I'm setting a local variable that I've created here, f vector overlap state start location. I set the actor location to this value, and you see the print string that you saw in the beginning. So I just print the location on the screen. Next, in the end overlap, I'm doing the reverse. Again, checking the actor has tag that we are ending overlap only on that actor, and at that time I will reset the overlap start location to 0. Okay. So after these two things are done, last part is pretty simple. Event tick. In the event tick, ignore this code, just focus on this branch. So in the event tick, I'm checking if the overlap start location is all zeros or not. If it is not, that means my hand is on one of the rocks. So I will set the start location to this variable. So basically my hand will appear that it is hovering or almost touching that rock, and it will not move until my controller goes out of the overlap bound. And for my use case, that makes sense, but of course you can modify this as per your own use case. And now if we go back to the same thing, so let's walk towards this wall again. Okay, So my hand can go to this wall, which does not really is not really needed. So, but you can see when my hand gets closer, it just stops there. It will not go through the rock again. Now it just hovers over there, but it doesn't go through the rock. And I have other animation, like I can grab this rock, where I see end overlap, I go in and it just stops there. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.